Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Alright guys, I'm here today with a new service that was introduced to me. It's called CloudPhone, okay? It's a phone app, okay? And it's a good service. So, as an entrepreneur or business owner, if you're a business owner out there with a brick and mortar, it doesn't matter. It's a great way to actually separate your personal phone calls and your business from your personal. Okay, I know a lot of us have maybe Google Voice or something like that, but to make it more professional and to have a real service is what you want, because I've had some issues with the Google Voice. Of course, there's really not any support for that. So anyway, I like this one I was introduced to. Is basically voice over IP, and it's in the cloud. It's a phone app, so you're going to be able to actually select an 800 number or a local number. It's up to you which one you prefer. I decided on an 800 number because I didn't have an 800 number, and now I'm going to be able to actually separate different, if you will, maybe departments, so to speak, with a phone attendant. Okay, so it's gonna be pretty cool. So anyway, everything is done via the phone app, so you no longer need to be tied to a landline or anything like that. And they have unlimited text and unlimited minutes. And most of these services, because that's my background, is telecommunications. There are charges like 6-second increment billing and minutes that you normally charge. And this one has unlimited texting as well. And if you know anything about 800 numbers, guys, typically 800 numbers is for incoming calls, okay? With this service, by me having an 800 number, I'm still able to dial outbound and receive inbound calls and text messaging from that same number, okay? So that's pretty cool to be able to text from my 800 number, receive calls, and make outbound calls, okay? So I like that a lot. So anyway, I was introduced to this service, and they have 3 plans. I'm going to show you that. So as an entrepreneur, I highly recommend you take a look at this, guys. And remember, you can write all this stuff off because it's a business expense, okay? So I'm going to show you, they have no plan. Let me see if I can move this over just a little bit so I can hear it. All right, let's see. Hold on one second. I have the middle plan here, and I'm able to have 3 numbers and 6 extensions. Okay, so this is a virtual phone, business phone. Okay, so you have everything in the palm of your hand. Okay, you're able to operate your business just from the palm of your hand with this virtual service, as well as what I like right here. I have this one here, $34.99. I like the virtual receptionist. So I've got to set that up. I'm in the process of doing that now, where I actually can have it can be like automated, where I can do text to speech, or I can actually upload an MP3 voice over professional recording. I can get someone from Fiverr to do me a professional greeting, and I can upload that if I choose to do so. Okay, so as you can see right here, as I stated, unlimited talk and text, guys. That's pretty much unheard of with this type of service. Okay, and then see voicemail transcription, Wi-Fi calling, call transfer, the mobile app, which is what I just explained to you. It's going to be operated from your app. And like about is also is the 6 extensions. Okay, because I can actually say, have it set up where we say press 1 to go to voicemail, press 2 to go to sales, press 3 to go to how to make money from home, whatever I want to do. Or if you guys are network marketing out there, you can actually assign different extensions to different people. Like say you're a team, okay, you have a team, whatever your team name is, right? and let's say you have the 1-800 number, and then when your people out there are promoting their phone number, they can say whatever. They can say it's 1-800 XYZ. My extension is 1234, and then their calls can come to them that way. So that's what the extensions are for. They can be used for. Okay, so it will be great for that. Or you have employees, whatever the case may be, you have those extensions to extend to other people. So I've got 3 numbers. So the $64.99, as you can see, you get more features with this one. So it just depends on your business needs. But I just went with the middle one here. Conference calling, international calling, business hours routing, and they have the recording. You can actually record professional recorded greeting. They can do that for you if you choose the higher plan. Okay, and then they actually have call recording where your calls can be recorded. You know, kind of like when you call a customer service center and they tell you that your call is going to be you're being recorded. That is included as well if you choose the $64.99 plan. Okay, so real reasonable, guys. Like it says here, no surprise billing. It is what it is. I set it up within. I purchased my 800 number. It was done no more than 10 minutes. I had my service and I tested it and it's working fine. So it doesn't take you, long to actually activate everything. It's instant setup, real simple. So that's one of the big things I liked about it is it's real simple to set up, not techie, not a whole lot of instructions or anything like that. So you guys are out there entrepreneurs, okay? You're an affiliate marketer. Most of you that I communicate with, you're just starting a business or you're in business. Get one of these guys. Either it can be an 800 number or it can be a local number. It's up to you. The price is the same. Now, I chose this one. It's because it's in the middle. Okay, and I like that, and it works for me for, I'm a small business. Okay, so that works for me. But it works in US and Canada. Okay, and you can forward your number to your cell phone as well. So it can go straight to your cell phone or whatever number you want it to go to. Me, preferably, my cell phone works perfectly. I know someone that set theirs up to go to their Google Voice, and then it forwards over to them. It's really up to you, but you can do that with your phone. So real simple. I don't know if you can see it on here. On my phone, right here, CloudPhone. Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. So real simple. Everything is, as you know, with today, guys, with technology, everything is on your phone. There's an app for everything. So this just makes sense that someone's put together a phone app and it's in the cloud. And it's one of the better ones out there because there are some competitors, but they can't touch the unlimited text and the unlimited minutes. Okay. That's just second to none. Okay. And then there's no hidden fees. It is what it is because I was expecting to pay my $34.99 plus some type of setup fee or something else. It was just $34.99, just what it says. Now, also, real quickly, I'm not going to be on this long. I just wanted to introduce this to you guys. Some of you were on my list, so I sent that out this morning. And I had folks calling, and I went ahead. I've only been an affiliate, 24 hours? So I do have a new customer that signed up. He said he had another service, and he decided to go with this one. So, it's people out here that have type of services. They just don't know what else is out there. So here's another option. Now, with that being said, there's also an affiliate income stream tied to this, guys, as well. They're paying $90 when you get new customers. Okay. But as my sponsor stated to me, and it makes sense to me, that you want to go with the middle plan, guys, because you don't want to have people that's signing up and they're quitting or they're canceling the service after a week or two, because what happens is the company is eating that cost. Okay, if they're paying you $90 and then someone canceled next week or in 30 days, they weren't able to recoup their funds. They weren't able to recoup their money back, right? So in order to keep this in place and to continue the commissions that they're paying out, and they were doing this for quite some time, we have them recoup their money possible. So with the $34.99, within 3 months they have their money back. Okay, so I plan to be here for the electing the plan that you're going to select. Just think about that. So if you pick the $11 or whatever, just know, just make sure you're going to stay in this program a year, so the company at least get their money back. Okay, so that's all I want to say about it. Not going to be on it long. Just want you to know this is and it's not a new service. It's just newly introduced to me and others. So voice over IP is the way to go for business nowadays. Anyway, everybody's on the go. You don't want to have a number sitting at your home office, and once you leave your home office or your business is at home, right? That makes no sense, because especially if you're a small business and you don't have anyone sitting there to man the phones. Once you walk away from the home office, if you have a landline, you're like, oh, well, it'll just go to my voicemail and I'll call in and check it. You no longer have to do that. When you leave, your business goes with you, and it's always with you on your phone. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. And to be able to transfer your calls to different places, it's just a convenience. All right, so anyway, I'm going to put a link below. Go ahead and check it out. They got a little video that goes with it, kind of show you how it works. This is great for everybody's like, well, who is this good for? Entrepreneurs like you and I, business owners out there. You got people that's hitting the pavement, going, business to business, and maybe handing out a flyer or something just to show them the alternative to what they have. Because people don't know these things if you don't introduce it to them. So it's a good way to introduce business owners. Okay, they would be definitely an ideal candidate. All right. So with that being said, that's all I've got, guys, for you. Just wanted you to know about CloudPhone. Go ahead and get you a number. It can be local or 800, and start using it to promote your business. You no longer really have to depend on, the Google Voice and things like that. Go ahead and get a professional line set up for your business. Because remember, you can write this off. It is a tax write-off because you have a business. Okay. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay. If you have any questions about CloudPhone, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. See you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.